Dear folks, this is Anil Goplani with Programming Hut. Today is my one of the research projects of getting the values of the between query between two columns. If suppose if there is a database and it is a table with attributes and two attributes are dates columns, then we have to write a between query to get the dates. But we have to get the date window to submit the query between the start date and the end date to match those between the order date and the at the same time with the delivery date. That can't be possible in the SQL query because it gives an error of the binary. We have to design a way where we create a empty table in which we transform one of the dates one at a time and then run a for loop in which we can check if the date is between that range. If it is, then write a 1 in the array list, and if it's not, write a 0 in the array list. Once the whole procedure is done, then we have to separate the odd values and then the even values. And we have to create two columns, one for the odd date and one for the delivery date, in which we add the even values and the odd values. If the even and odd values both have 1 inside in it, then it will show the record because these two ones which we checked are matching with the user specified criteria of the start date and the end date in between. So this is one of the tricky solutions, and we have to create a primary key where we have to add the order where the primary key is 1. We have to write a for loop, and when you can initiate a for loop with the, and we have to create an ID which starts from the increment from 1 to the next, and so on. If you want to see the live example, please join my sessions or ping me in so I can show you how it is done. And it can be done on the numerous columns. Two of the columns are done in this way that I have explained in this video. And if we have more than two columns, then we have to transform those values in the programming code into an array list and then do a comparison of it, and then it transfer to the other column, and then if it matches the whole column, then it will show the date. It can be done in such a way that suppose we have one column, two columns, three columns, four columns, and we have to match the series or the range in between, then between the values, if it lies under those two ranges, then we can do it on numerous columns. It can be possible, but it lacks lots of work, lots of dedication, and lots of pressure that you have to conceive in order to make that happen. So for this, please join my sessions. My ideas about different objects are infinite, and you will gain more experience that will be viable enough for you in the practical environment, and you can learn lots of warehousing techniques in this way. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.